Hi everyone. So, of course, in our class on educational technologies, my educational technology is not working. I don't know why my FlipGrid is telling me it doesn't have access to my camera right now, but it told me I could upload a different video, so we're going to try this and see if it works. So sorry for the complicated manner of which I'm uploading, but here we are, we're making it work. It's funny because I would have never even known that this was a backup option until I had this class. So that was kind of a way for me to reflect starting off. But just reflecting for the whole semester, I have learned so much from this class. Mostly just the different tools that people have shared that I can use myself or in my classroom or with my PLN. I'm overwhelmed with things that I am able to use and the things that are out there for my students to use as well. So just a couple of things. Like I said, the PLN assignment was really eye-opening. I feel like I was a pretty well-connected educator to start, but I've made so many more connections, especially with people, like I said, in my district, which helps a lot. We all have the same curriculum, so the fact that we are now able to share resources, and for my capstone project, I created a place where we could all share resources for the same ideas and same projects for our same students in the district. So that has been, or I hope is going to be, a great help for years to come. Also, just the use of, I use so many new things in my classroom even now. I've put some off until next semester just to start that semester off fresh, but I'm consistently using the Pear Deck add-on. Whoever told me that, I don't even remember. One of the first weeks of this class, I have been using it for formative assessing my students almost every day that we take notes. I actually got our technology coach in our district to automatically put the add-on onto everybody's computer. So now everyone has access to it, which is pretty cool. That I was able to do that for the entire district, and I just wanted to play around with it. So that has been awesome. My kids love Edpuzzle that I've started using as well. Those are really good tools for me to be able to post, and they can come back and look at those and use those to study for tests and assessments, which is awesome. This screencast, I just use that for my re-envisioning learning activity. And I'm using it again. This is the webcam side of it, which is cool. I didn't even know this was an option. I'm also been using FlipGrid, or plan on using FlipGrid in my classroom for weekly updates to parents. So just the amount of things that I've changed in my teaching from this class is immense, and I have so many different people to thank for that. Everybody in class, Dr. Smith, people that I met from my PLNs through Twitter and Instagram, and like I said, the district. So just really, really loved all of the different things I got from this class. What's next for me is, I think I would really love to try podcasting at some point, whether that be, my original idea was for my students to do podcasts weekly or bi-weekly to give their parents updates about what we're doing in class. I chose to do FlipGrid instead just because right now it's a little bit more kid-friendly. My kids already kind of know how to use FlipGrid from a different class. So I think just starting off, especially next semester, it will be easier for them to just go that route. But next year, I would love to figure out a way for them to do that as a podcast instead of a FlipGrid. So that's kind of my new vision. That's what I'm looking forward to the most. I'm looking forward to just continuing all of the different technology resources and getting my other teammates and coworkers on board with everything. So thank you for everything that I've gotten from all of you, and I hope you all have a great rest of your grad school career.